Hello YouTube, X65 Gaming here, and today we're on a nature walk. And yeah, this is one of the few videos that is not on gaming. And yeah, we're basically just on a nature walk, really. It's beautiful. Look at this. Honestly, beautiful. There's the sun. Trees. Oh yeah, that's my dad and my uncle. I'll leave his, oh wow. Look at that. I'll leave my Eric's website in the description below so you guys can check it out. He makes really great music.
Thanks.
Yeah, he really does. He makes good music and he enjoys it. It's his passion. He's also starting to teach me how to do music too. Isn't that right?
That is right.
But yeah. We're basically just on a nature walk, really. This is more like a vlog thing, I guess.
Yeah, we'll give them update when we get to the
Yeah.
get to the fort.
Yeah, so for now, basically, we're just talking, having a good time. Man, it's actually quite chilly.
Look at the canopy of that thing, but it's not huge.
Oh, before I started recording, there was this giant tree.
Right there is part of that one. Wow, it's a big canopy. You actually clear it out, just kind of get parts of it.
The poor trees broke during Irma, or before Irma.
Go ahead. Oh, go with this.
And comment down below if you've ever seen this kind of trail before. But yeah, we're on our way to Fort Caroline. Sorry if you can't see me very well. There's no option turning the camera around.
Touch the bottom and see if it pops up on the bottom right. Yeah, that's oak.
What does that white button do?
Yeah.
Whatever.
I don't know.
I'll just try to go like this. But yeah, it's a really nice nature walk. Nice scenery. Maybe some wild animals that we haven't seen yet.
Look at all the moss hanging from the tree.
Look at all that moss. Nope, you can't zoom in. It's not that type of phone. But yeah, I've basically been doing good. Nothing's really been going on much. We're on our way to Fort Caroline. We've been walking on the trail for a little bit. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah.
Think anything's in it? Any rodents hanging out, living in there?
Oh, you guys can't see it. Alright, let it adjust.
Yeah, you gotta get in close.
There's a little hole in the
There's a
In
hole in
stump.
the back of it too.
Wait, what? Oh wow, look, there's also another hole right there that you can see. You know, now you can see the holes. It adjusted. Yeah. There were a lot of trees taken down since Irma. There was this one tree that came down, hit another tree. It was huge. Look at all that moss. Or mold, or whatever you
Interesting log, isn't it?
Yeah. It was a big log. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make a new video today or tomorrow for a game. I have a few other games that I want to play. And record for you guys. Yeah, because I enjoy making videos. I really enjoy making videos. Nice scenery. Ooh, sunlight. The trail.
Oh, they got these,
Ooh,
that's all LLB.
spider webs. It's really nice.
The bowls too, the bowls and cups. I think it's really used when they pop out.
Look how tall these trees go. Yeah, look at that. Before we were seeing some really big trees, like that one up there. Yeah, so this is basically just a nature walk, really. You can go hiking on it. It's really nice. But the thing is, oh wow, look at that. Look at the branch that came off the tree. Right up there.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that. Snapped off. Look, there's the part that snapped off.
Another piece of right there. Maybe.
Yeah. Here's the other part. Right there, that's what fell off from that. Luckily nobody was under that.
So, watch the show Ozzy.
There's a casual bench in case you want to have a snack. But yeah, it's a really, really nice nature walk. It's by Fort Carroll. It's in the.
Oh, there's some water over there. You see through the.
Wow! Wait. Can you guys see the water? I can't. I'm too short. Yeah, I see someone over there.
That old rotting tree sticking up.
Look at all the trees. Look at that. It's like a giant stick. Well, trees are technically like giant. Look at that tree. But yeah, I've been doing pretty good. School's going good, keeping my grades up. I'll start making more vlogs if I ever feel like it. But yeah, I want to plan on making a few videos over the weekend. Maybe some on weekdays. I've had a lot of schoolwork to catch up on over the weekdays. But I will definitely be making more videos over winter break, which is this Thursday. Yay. It's really... Wait, is that a house?
There's the house over there.
Oh, there's a house. I guess we're reaching the end of the nature trail. It's really nice. Been going for like 8 minutes. But yeah, that's really that. Oh, look at the tree. Snapped off. Look at all that moss.